Hey guys, my name is Andre, and I'm going to walk you through setting up cloud services with your HAW credentials and accounts. So there are two cloud services that you have access to. The first one is Microsoft OneDrive, which you get as part of your Microsoft 365 license. So that's 1 terabyte of storage that you can use, and you can use it across your different devices. So it's 1 terabyte of cloud storage that you can use while you're a student here. In addition to that, you have the HAW Cloud. It's only 100 gigabytes, but the big advantage that you get with the HAW Cloud is that it's actually accessible from the computer labs at school. So instead of you doing something at home and then having to email it to yourself and opening it up at school, you can actually access it directly from the computer labs at school. So I'll show you how to set that one up first. And so we start off going to the online services site like we have for most of these. And you're just going to go ahead and click here on HAW Cloud. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see that you can either use it in your browser and there's instructions on how to do that. Or what I recommend is that you use it on your own computer and you just install the sync client. So there's some directions here, but basically what you need to do is you're going to need to remember this link here, the cloud.hawhamburg.com. So I'll just go ahead and copy that link address for later. And you're going to click on the first link, which is actually going to take you to download the desktop client. Now, when you follow that link, it brings you to the OwnCloud site. If you don't know to go all the way to the bottom, you're going to get lost, but just go all the way to the bottom and click on Download Desktop App. Choose the operating system that you're using and go ahead and click on Download. And go ahead and run the installer. The installer comes up, click Next, click Install, and give it admin permissions when it asks for them. The installation is pretty quick, so it should not take very long at all. And we're going to go ahead and launch OwnCloud after finish and go ahead and click Finish. Now, this is asking if I want to restart the computer now. I'll restart it later just so I can make this video a little better for you. But here under server address, we're going to put in that link that we copied earlier, which is just cloud.hawhamburg.de. Go ahead and click on Next. And here's where you're going to put in your username and password again. Click Next. And go ahead and click Connect. And it starts to sync what you have on the HAW Cloud. Now for me in particular, I have to specifically tell it to synchronize HAW Cloud. That's just because I already have a lot of files up on my cloud, and so it doesn't want to fill my computer up with them. But you just do that and it starts to automatically sync. And you'll notice that if I open up the File Explorer, OwnCloud has been added to my list of directories over here on the left. And if I open it up, eventually you're going to see HAW Cloud. There it is. HAW Cloud shows up. And then here is my HAW Cloud folder. So I can access all my cloud documents on my computer and they're actually synced. So that's the first option, which is the HAW Cloud. Now, the larger storage option, which is Microsoft OneDrive, you should have already installed Microsoft Office. I had a different video showing you how to do that. And when you have Microsoft Office, OneDrive is already installed. So since my OneDrive is already running, it's already installed, I'm just going to go ahead and open up OneDrive. I'm going to go to Help and Settings, and I'm going to go to Settings. And now from Settings, you'll notice that it's my personal OneDrive that's logged in. If you have a Microsoft account, there's a very good chance that you already have that. If you don't worry about it. It just won't show up. But just go ahead and add an account. And when this window comes up, just go ahead and put in your HAW email. And click Sign In. And it'll take you to our institution sign-in site. Go ahead and click Next. Click Next again. And actually, since I'm already signed in to Office, it's already connected. And so you'll notice that over here on my File Explorer, I have OneDrive for my HAW-provided account, and I have HAW-provided Cloud showing up as a separate folder there. And so now I have access to both of my cloud storage options on my personal computer. And so that's how you install your cloud storage on your personal computer.